Hello students, open the window and search for PictoBlocks. Open the app. So creating project, go to blocks and assign the name according to your project. Now our project is chromosome matching. Now let's start the block coding. Before starting the block coding, first you have to select the what are the board you are using. In my case, I'm using Arduino Uno. So now connect the your Arduino board to serial port. Then click on refresh. So you have to find your board connected to COM7. So click on connect button and then you have to directly come to your working page. Now select upload option and you have to go to Arduino Uno and drag the Arduino Uno setup function. Then go to display modules and set the Bluetooth and slide down and select set Bluetooth baud rate to 9600. You have to must and should select baud rate 9600. After that, you have to go to controls and select forever function and drag to workspace. So now it's time to write conditions for controlling LEDs for chromosome matching. For that, you have to drag the if condition and attach forever function. After that, go to double option and select data from the terminal. This option helps to take the data from the terminal, or else it will take data from the serial communication. Here you have to enter what type of data you have to send. You have to mention here. Like in my case, my data is capital X and capital X. After that, go to Arduino Uno and take the option select digital frame pin output and drop here. This means we select what are the pin number you have to attach the LED. In my case, I am attached pin number 9 and it will on and when the condition will be satisfied. And again I copying this block and drop here, and again I select the pin number 10. It will be low. Like that you have make all conditions according to our requirement. Now I am copying this condition and paste bottom of that condition. Now I am changing the data to small x and x. Like that we have to copy paste the condition and make all probabilities according to your requirement. Now I am copying this block and insert it at the bottom of if command and change this command to capital X and small x. For when you are typing capital X or small x, it will indicate correct chromosome matching. After that, next I am copying this block and add similarly in the block, and I changing this command to small x and capital X. So now the female chromosome matching is completed. After that, now it's time to add male gender chromosomes. For that, I am copying this block and adding in the bottom of the if condition and changing this command to capital X and capital Y. Then I change this output LED pins. 9-pin LED is low and digital pin 10 is output is high. That means the matching of LEDs will be changes. Next, I am copying this block, adding similarly like as female. Now I am changing this command to small x and small y. Again I copying this block and add in the bottom, change this command to capital X and small y. Make similarly for next step. I am changing this command to small x and capital Y. So that's it. Our block coding is completed. Now it's time to upload the code. Now our block coding is ready. Now this time to upload. So first check your board is connected or not. If not connected, have to connect the board and click on upload code. So building, it will take some time for uploading process. So done uploading successfully. Now this time to check the project is working fine or not. This project is chromosome matching. Here we show male and female genders chromosomes. Here we show X and Y are the gender for male chromosomes and XX for the female gender chromosomes. Now let's see how it will works. So first open the app. Go download the app. Now open the app and give permissions for all. Now connect your Bluetooth. See, this Bluetooth is connected to your device. Our Bluetooth name is HC05. Here you find this HC05 device. Just connect. So here you have to see connected HC05. Now open terminal and send commands through by using this terminal. Now I am sending capital X and capital X. This project is chromosome matching. Here we show male and female. See, you see by sending capital X and capital X, the female gender will be LEDs will on. That means the red LEDs will be turned on. Next I am sending capital X and capital Y, the male LEDs will be on, like red for male representation, green for female representation. Now I am sending small x and small x, it will be on red LEDs. Next I am sending small x and small y, it will be on green LEDs. One capital X and one small x sending, that's also that represents the female gender chromosomes. Now I am sending on capital X on small y. So the male chromosomes will be represented. So this is the working of this project. Thank you.